Welcome back to Corvette Warehouse. My name is Jason with the YouTube channel Front Seat Driver. Today we have a torch red 2020 C8 Corvette. This one is a convertible, Z51. It's a 2LT. So as you can see, it has the low wing spoiler right here in carbon flash black badging all around. This one also has the painted roof and nacelles. Is painted in carbon flash black. See that right there? Beautiful metallic. And I will tell you, this thing is absolutely awesome. I have a convertible, so I can speak to that. Absolutely love it. Again, this is a 2020, 2,973 miles, 75,995. Let's take a look at the interior on here. And I already can see carbon fiber inside here. So you have the carbon fiber running along right here. Looks like the kit from EOS, but it matches up really nicely with the GT seat. So you can see there is carbon fiber right there. And of course you have the C8 Corvette flag embossed on the headrest right there. Red and black interior with the red stitching. The color match stitching always looks so nice on here. But check it out, a little bit of carbon fiber installed around. But a very nice interior, very well kept car. So looking at the front here, quite a bit of space. One thing I wanted to show you is you will plug in right here if you have a battery tender to, if you don't drive your car in the wintertime, you can plug it in right there. There's quite a bit of space. One thing I did want to mention, I just happened to remember, is this one also has a front end lift, which your button is right there when that little section of 3 buttons where the mode selector is. So it's very nice to have that front end lift in case you're pulling into a parking lot and it's a little steep. The other great thing about the 2LT is it does come with the front cameras as well. So you have one there, one right there. Helps out quite a bit when pulling forward and parking. But again, torch red, and this one is available right now at Corvette Warehouse in Dallas.